Hi folks, it's me again, Waldo, and today is one more day in paradise. Yes, in paradise. I happily leave home for work. This is a beautiful sunshiny day in South Florida. It feels so good to hit the open roads early in the morning, feel the fresh breeze and listen to the roar of the truck engines on the highway. We are headed to our customer home to move his gun safe for the third time. This is the City of Weston, a clean city, well-cared landscape, no trash in the streets. We will be loading the safe from the garage and unload it in a garage as well. This safe has an interesting design. The back is round. The shelves are round and can spin freely for gun access. If I am not wrong, the upgraded model has an electric motor on top to make the shelf spin by just pressing a button. Well, it is showtime. Let's move this thing. Hey, please like our video and hit that subscribe button. I use a Johnson bar to clear a small step on the sidewalk which is giving us a hard time. Well, we finished the safe loading. We are hitting the road again towards the unloading place, Coral Springs. We just parked our truck. We will now use our hydraulics to raise the gun safe and winch it down the ramp. Now it's time for that nice push and roll the hydraulics into the garage. And that is it, folks. God bless America.